My dear students, the question I have selected from class 9 book. The name of the chapter is linear equation in two variables. I have given some videos on this chapter, on this topic. Today, one new question I have selected. The question is very easy, but it is lengthy. Here what happens, read the question very nicely. From the choices given below, choose the equations whose graphs are given in the figure. What are the choices? Y is equal to x, one equation. X plus y is equal to 0, one equation. Y is equal to 2x, 2 plus 3y is equal to what I can take 7x. These all are the equation of the straight lines. And here you see, in this graph, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, vertical axis is called y-axis. And the line is, which line? You see the line. This is the line. And on this line, there are 3 points here shown. Of course, on a line, infinite number of points lie. But here in this case, what happens? Do you understand? 3 points are shown in the figure. One is what? -1, 1. Another is what? 0, 0, origin. And one more point is what? 1, -1. Now the things, you think like that. Which line will be the equation of, which equation will be the equation of this line? That you have to decide. From this line, you take any 2 points. If that 2 points satisfy an equation, that means that equation is the equation of this line. And when you have 2 points satisfied, the third point must satisfy it. You studied in coordinate geometry. Now, how do you indicate point? Before starting this question or answer, first of all you try to understand how we indicate point. Suppose this is a vertical axis, this is a horizontal axis, here is 1, here is also 1, and this is 0, origin. Suppose I am writing, I am putting a point here. Point is like that, but to represent a point, we are using the two numbers. One numbers we are using from the x-axis, and another, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and another number we are taking from y-axis. Here you see, here the point is here. From here you draw a perpendicular. This perpendicular comes to join on 1. So x value is what? The first coordinate is x coordinate. X coordinate is 1. And what is the y coordinate here? Y coordinate is also 1. So we are writing 1. So you see, distance of the point from y-axis, that is this much, is taken as x coordinate. And distance of the point from the x coordinate, that distance is called what? From the x-axis, what distance is there? That is called what? Y coordinate. So this is x coordinate. Already in the coordinate geometry I have taught. X coordinate. And here this is what? Y coordinate. Means x coordinate is 1, that means distance of the point from y-axis is 1. and y coordinate is 1, that means distance of the point from x-axis is 1. Like that we are indicating. Suppose here is minus 1, here is minus 1, here is minus 2. If a point is here, what should be coordinate of the point? To indicate the point, to represent the point, we are dropping a perpendicular on x-axis where it cuts the x-axis, that is x coordinate. What is the x coordinate here? Minus 1. Again, from the point we draw a perpendicular on y-axis where the perpendicular touch the y-axis, that number is called what? Y coordinate. So here is y coordinate. My dear student, I have taken the extra time for this one. I hope you understood. One more thing, after rubbing it, I want to make you understand. Whenever I am telling that a point satisfies a line, what do you mean by this statement? Suppose I am telling you 2, 3, simply I am taking myself. You don't get confusion. This question I have not started. Knowledge I am giving you, which will be applied here. Suppose I am telling 2, 3 satisfies x plus y is equal to 5. That means what? When we are putting the value of x in this equation 2 and putting the value of y coordinate, that is 3, then left hand should be equal to right hand. Here you see, here we are starting like that. Instead of x we are putting what? 2. Instead of y we are putting what? 3. That is equal to 5. Here also 5. Here also 5. LHS is equal to RHS. I think you understood what do you mean by satisfies. So this point satisfies this line. That means what? This point will lie on this line. When you will draw a line, this point must be there. 2, 3 must be there on the line. Suppose a point is there which does not satisfy this. Suppose 1 and 3. Here you see whether it will satisfy this line. We are checking. Here x plus y is equal to 5. But you see x is equal to 1 you are putting, y is equal to 3 you are putting, 5 are you getting? 3 plus 1 you are getting 4. 4 is equal to 5. LHS not equal to RHS means what? It means 1, 3 does not satisfy x plus y is equal to 5. That means what? This does not lie on the line x plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, 1, 3 does not lie on x plus y is equal to 5. Clear now? So like that, whenever I am telling satisfies and whenever I am telling does not satisfy, you will understand. A point satisfy a line, that means what? The point will lie on the line. If the point does not satisfy the equation of the line, that means the point will not lie on that given equation, that line. So there are one more thing I want to tell. Actually, I searched blue pen, but I didn't get. All the soaps are not open. Few of them are open. So according to our choice, we are not getting the pen or ink. Now, whenever, suppose your name is Ram, Syam, Altaf, let it be anything. Whenever I am telling Ram, your figure is coming in front of me. Similarly, what will be the name of this line? Simply you are telling this is a line. This line must have some name. And that name is what? Equation of the line is the name of the line. By knowing the equation, we can draw the line. The equation of the line represents the line so that you understand. Now, my dear students, your answer start from here. This is the question. So, whatever I have taught, that you are not going to write in the examination. If such type of question is given, now I start. What? For knowledge I have taught everything, whatever I have discussed. Here you see. First of all, which equation you will take? You are taking equation y is equal to x. Here you see. These 3 points are there. One point is minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, minus 1. You select any 2 points and let these points satisfy this line. If both the points satisfy this line, that means this equation is the equation of the line. Otherwise, we have to proceed to another line. Here you see what I am putting. X is equal to, suppose this 0, 0 you take. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 means this point, this point. What happens then? Instead of y I am writing 0, instead of x I am writing 0. So you see LHS is equal to RHS. That means 0, 0, 0, 0 satisfy this line, means lies, in short I am writing, lies on y is equal to x, because LHS is equal to RHS. Now second you see, here there is no space, I am coming here to write. Dear friends, again if, which point? Either you take this point or that point. I am taking this point. Okay. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to x is there. So here you see y is equal to x means what? X is equal to 1. Y is equal x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. You see LHS not equal to RHS. That means what? 1 minus 1 does not, this is the point, this is point, does not lie on the line, on the graph, or on the line you will write. Which line is there? Which line I have tested? This line. On the line y is equal to x. Therefore you see, this point is not lying on this. So how it will be the equation of this? So you can write in this case. In both cases you could get LHS is equal to RHS, LHS is equal to RHS. Then you are supposed to write here 1 minus 1 lie on the line this much. On the line, actually we are supposed to write on the line, simply on y is equal to x. But in this case, what happened? One point is lying, but another is not lying. That means what? This is not the equation of this line. Or you can tell graph equation whose graph. Therefore, the graph y is equal to x is not the equation, is not the equation, not the equation whose graph is given. Given, note the equation whose graph is given in the figure. Now you see. So from here you came to know this is not the equation of the graph given in the figure. Here that also, this is not the equation of the graph given in the figure, like that also you could have written. Now second one I am writing. One you came to know that it is not the equation of the graph given in the figure. Now second one you see. Second one is what? X plus y is equal to 0. Same method. What you have to do? If you select any 2 points, same thing, I am taking this point and this point only. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Then what happens? You see, x instead of x 0 plus y is equal to 0 is equal to 0. What happens? 0 is equal to 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. Means therefore 0 0 is on the line. 0 0 lies on x plus y is equal to 0. Okay. Now one more point check. You check this one also. Here, my dear students, if x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, then what happens? You see, x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. Here, instead of x I am writing 1. Instead of y I am writing minus 1. That is equal to 0. Therefore, what happens? 1 plus minus 1, that is equal to 0. Now you are getting what? 0 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, therefore you can write 1 minus 1 lies on x plus y is equal to 0. In this way, x plus y is equal to 0 is the equation, is not, you don't write, is the equation of the graph, equation of the graph given in the figure. Okay, 2 you got. So this is okay, I think. Now then also you have to test this third one also. My dear students, you start the third one in the same pattern as I am doing here. Third one is what? Y is equal to 2x. Third, here you see, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. You could have taken this point also, any 2 points. then you tell what happens. Instead of y, 0. 2 into, instead of x, 0. So 0 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. That means what? 0, 0 lies on 0, 0 lies on where? On y is equal to 2x, or 0, 0 fall on y is equal to 2x also, that you can write. Okay, should I run? This one fits. Here you see if x is equal to same thing 1, y is equal to -1, then what happens in this case? Instead of y, -1, 2 into 1, you are getting -1, 2. Therefore, LHS not equal to RHS. That means what? 1 and -1 does not, this is what? Point. So does not lie on y is equal to 2x. Therefore, y is equal to 2x is not the equation of the line in the graph. Equation of the line in the graph, or given in the graph. Okay, one more is remaining. Should I rub it now? Four one you see, 4. 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x. Here you see, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then what happens, do you understand? 2 plus 3 into 0, 7 into x is equal to 0, you are getting what? 2 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0. LHS not equal to RHS. If in the first case you are getting LHS not equal to RHS, no need of checking another. You can simply write Now you see, that means second one no need of checking. I told you in the first case itself you are getting LHS not equal to RHS, then no need of checking the another. You take therefore 0 does not lie on 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x. Therefore, 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x is not the equation of the graph given in the figure. Given in the figure. My dear students, so you came to know that this is only the line, this is only the equation, which is the equation of the line given in the figure. So correct option is what? Therefore, in the last you write correct option is 2. What is in 2? X plus y is equal to 0. My dear students, in the examination what happens? Sometimes the students are doing all these calculation in the rough, and in the last he or she is writing the correct option is this much. Then also you will get the same marks as you are doing in the main answer script. So it is up to you whether you calculate all these things directly along with the question answer, or you do in the rough and you write the answer here. Anyway, I hope you understood. One request I tell you, everybody, my request is like that: you subscribe my channel if you like it, so that you will get benefit from this video on the YouTube. I don't get anything from here, but I help you. I am making the video for our school, but what happens, publicly I advertise it, so the other people also, other students will also get the benefit. Thank you, my dear students.